chicken fried steak with country gravy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. That breading. One bite? Yeah. Bueno. Country fried steak for dinner. Let's make it. Jump right into this delicious chicken fried steak. First of all, we got our cube steaks and we got our seasoning right here. Remember, the ingredients and the measurements are always in the description. So we're just gonna season our cube steaks. Just make sure you get them all seasoned on both sides. Milk and eggs mixture and our flour and cornstarch mixture. Measurements in the description, remember that. All right, let's get these boys coated. I'll take cube steak and bam, get the excess off. Gonna go wet. The excess drip off, go back to dry. Just like that. Yeah. There we go. Just like that. And make sure it's coated. If you want it a little more crispier, you would go back in the wet and back to the dry. We're gonna stay satisfied with just this one-time coating right here. There we go. Kind of smashing up the cube steak, kind of loosen the tendons a little bit. There we go. Let's set that on our plate. If you haven't already, think about subscribing. Hit the like button. Hit the notification button. That way you know what we're doing, when we're doing it, and you can see us get these meals and these delicious dishes together. Yeah. Get that in there. There it is. We're gonna allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. All right, as you can hear, that boy is cooking. So we didn't go 5 to 6 minutes, we only went 3 or 4 minutes. Let's check it because it's cooking kind of fast. And as you can see, we still got a little more to go. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that boil in now. I'll go ahead and let it finish the rest of the 2 minutes. All right, as you can tell, we gave it a flip, and it's looking like it's supposed to be looking. Making sure it's getting cooked all the way. There we go. See what the other side look like. There it is. There it is. Right there. Yeah. So let's go ahead and give this one a flip. All right, our last one is done. Check this out. There it is, right there. Yeah. We can't forget about the gravy. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get our gravy together. I told you I wasn't going to let y'all forget about this gravy. All right, we're gonna throw, forgive me, 1/4 cup of flour. Let's just stir it around. Slowly, we got 2½ cups of milk. We're gonna slowly add it and stir as we're adding it. There we go. You're gonna keep adding your milk gradually. until you have a smooth, creamy gravy. Let's go ahead and turn our heat down a little bit. As you can see, our gravy is coming along just fine, starting to thicken up. So we're gonna add our last little bit of milk. And let's stir this for about 2 more minutes. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna season it to taste with some salt and black pepper. Okay, everything is where everything needs to be. So we're gonna go ahead and turn down our heat. Let's go ahead and get us some seasoning in this gravy. Like I say, we just gonna season to taste. But if I would have to estimate, I would say about a teaspoon and 1/4. 1 whole teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon. And then you go off of that to season to taste how you like. So let's just get this salt and pepper mixed in to our country gravy. And then real quick, we can just take our finger. Be careful, that's gonna be hot. Let's go with a little more salt. There we go. Let's see where we at now. There we go. Get that cream gravy. Yeah. They got gravy as such. There we go. Get that. That is. Bam. There it is. There it is. Country fried steak. Homemade country gravy. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. We're always gonna be bringing you, forgive me, delicious dinner, side dishes, dessert recipes. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah. I'm leaving y'all with a good old bite. Yeah. Till the next time.